Gold failed to breach past 1795 yesterday and traded with a drop, but at the same time, one point to observe that it has got the support at 1780, tried to breach it, failed to sustain, and 1780 again proved out to be a stronger support levels as I mentioned. Likewise, silver has shown a good swing 2350 to 2310. So now what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Today is an important day as the world await the inflation data from USA, which is going to be a key driving factor for these two metals. So we'll see with the help of charts what to expect. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also the next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start. Now these are the hourly charts of gold. You can clearly see drop, retracement, and yes, this could be the highs probably because see this is trying to trade in this channel. And what are the lows of this channel? 1775, 1770 levels, which are definitely a very strong support. But is it going to go there or will we see again a bounce back? Now see this. On the hourly charts, it has taken the support at 1780. Yes, there was a breach, but it failed to sustain and now trying to trade with a rise. So any point of time again, if you see it trading below 1780, yes, you can sell there. Below that 1774 and 1770 levels are the targets. So 1770, 1760 and remember 1740 to 1760 is a very strong support zone for gold. Only and only if gold trades below 1740 in this week, in this month or next month, yes, that is the time you should consider gold to act bearish. Right now it is trying to trade bullish, but on the hourly charts the story is different and it is trying to retrace a bit on the downside. Directional movement was bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought and hence it is trying to give a red candle. But look at the MACD, this is crossed over, this is divergent and this is a second green candle. Possibility for it to sustain the bullish momentum exists here. RSI is again trying to curve down. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts here. See on the 2-hour charts, if you connect the dots, I'll wait for 1790, 1795 again only and only if it trades above 1795. You can consider this is bullish. So yes, 1780 first of all, that is the level below which you should go short. At the same time for the day, I think you can go long at 1791, but then expect 1795 as the first target and then you can or you will see 1801, 1805 and 1808. Beyond that, it can fly further till towards 1818, 24, 36 and 50 levels. Now see, as we saw, 1791 certainly may prove out to be a good resistance and hence do not trade between 1780 and 1791 today. Directional movement has crossed over and this is again turning to be bullish. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI trading near to the bottom. On the 3-hour charts also, see drop, couple of green candles, then drop, couple of green candles. Now again trying to take the shape. We will wait for it to sustain either on the upside or downside and decide the direction. Though on the 3-hour charts, direction movement is crossed over for a bullish move. The stochastic rising again from the bottom, it is formed double bottom and it is trying to look upwards. The MACD trying to converge crossover. RSI is also trying to RSI is something which is right now indicating little bearishness and hence wait for it to curve up again. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, this is indicative of a reversal here and you have to wait for the next 4-hour candle, specifically when you see it trading above the zone. So on the 4-hour charts also, it is very clear that only below 1780 we should think of going short. At the same time, you can see this 84-85 zone certainly giving it a resistance, and on the upside once it trades above 1785 you can expect 1790-91 certainly be going to a good resistance. Beyond that 1795 and then 1800. If any point of time gold trades above 1800-1805 zone, just close your eyes, stay long. If gold any point of time today or in this week trades above 1800-1805 zone, just close your eyes, stay long. This I have repeated several times and again I am repeating it. Yes, if it trades above this, we can stay long. Right now it is looking forward to a reversal. This is certainly be a very strong supportive zone. Let's see further into details. It is crossing over on the direction movement. The stochastic at bottom on the 4-hour charts, looking forward to a rise. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bullish. Probably it has seen the peak. Let's see if it converges, crosses over. RSI on the 4-hour charts is looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. Clearly on the daily charts, one thing is very clear. See, it is getting support on the downside. You can see this is a sharp slope, sharp trend line, which is giving it a support on the downside for the day. 1780 certainly be a very strong support, and only if it trades below this, confirm this for the bullish bearish move. Now this is clear, and if it breaks 1780, certainly little more bearishness can be seen. At the same time, look at this on the upside, it is getting the resistance from the 1800. So this is trying to give you a flag here, and this flag is trying to trade bullish. So yes, this is also in a squeeze, possibly looking forward to a breakout, maybe with the inflation data today or with the Fed's interest rate hike, we may see it breaking out. This is 20 period moving average, and look at that 50 and 100 period crossover here. This is also indicative of bullishness. The directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bearish. This is one observation, that it is trying to trade bearish or indicating the bearishness. RSI trading flat. Considering this for the day, do not trade between 1780 and 1791 levels. In fact, yes, you can buy at 1786, 87 levels, expect 1790, 91, but then only bullish confirmation is if it breaks beyond 1795 and 1800. Beyond that, if it trades above 1800, certainly more bullishness will be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now silver has seen again 2350 levels yesterday, and it is just shy of 2355-60 zone, which is the good resistance zone. Beyond that, it is already seen 2380. There is a probability that it can achieve those levels. But look at the charts on the early chart, early time frame. Rise, retracement, consolidation, rise, lower lows, and the same high. So it is trying to increase. It is trying to trade bullish here, but at the same time, the lower lows is something which is making me little bit cautious, little bit aware, and lower lows are also indicative of little bearishness. Now see, 2310 certainly be a good support. I told you yesterday also, 2300, this is the level which is a very strong support. Only below 2300 you can expect 2280, 2260, 2240 levels. Now look at the hourly charts closely. This is the support zone at 2330 on the hourly charts. Once it trades below 2330, you can expect 2320, 2310 and 2300. So going short is only recommended below 2330 levels. On the upside, yes, beyond 2360, I will recommend you to buy. For this 30 cents, stay away from silver. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the pattern on the 2-hour charts. Rise, retracement, rise, lower highs, retracement, lower lows, almost same highs, and again trying to retrace here. So this is indicative that it has to just break past for either 2300 or either 2360. Any move above this zone at 2360, consider this for a good breakout. It is right now trying to sustain in this, and specifically right now it is trying to sustain in the first half, that is between 2330 and 2360 levels. So we have to stay a little bit alert here. It can any point of time give a breakout either on the upside or downside. Right now on the 2-hour chart, it appears it is looking to attempt and achieve the lower side of this channel, which is at 2330, which is a good support, and hence you can take a short entry at only below those levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, and the RSI is looking downwards here. A little bit of negative slope is seen. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is trying to trade with this as support. Now look, first support here at 2300, then the next support here at 2320, and beyond that certainly more bullishness. So till the time probably you can sell at 23.30. However, remember 23.20 is a very good support, 23.10 is a good support, $23 is a good support. Only and only if silver trades below $23, consider this to give some bearish move, and about 23.60 certainly. So same observation, it is bullish here. It is looking upwards bullish. The MACD is in red trying to converge here, and the RSI is looking downwards slightly. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts trying to trade in this channel. Till the time it trades about 23.30, certainly bullish momentum can be seen. At the same time, look at this. There is a wall here at 23.50, 23.55. So I'll recommend you to buy at 23.60 only and sell at 23.30. In fact, even if you are selling, you should be cautious of 23.20, 23.10, $23. Only below 23, more bearishness to be seen. On the upside, 23.60, you can expect 23.80, 24 and beyond levels. See, it is bullish here, it is looking upwards. Almost all indicators are same. And on the daily charts, now another important observation on the daily charts, look at the previous step, then this candle doji. Now it is seeing the lower highs. Now I'll wait for it to break past here at 23.30. Once it draws below 23.30, you can again expect a red candle, and this time it can be a little bit sharp. Hence, you need to stay cautious. So take your trades accordingly. Very clear. 23.30, 23.60, two numbers you should remember. Above and below you can sell. On the downside, you have to put a trailing stop loss, as there is a support, very strong support at $23 and then 22.80. If these two are taken, it is bound to crash strongly. On the upside, sky is the limit for $23.80, $24, and then in fact it can rise till towards $25. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.